Rocky and I are on property and he is in the process of harvesting Jamaican yams. He's going to be showing you exactly how he goes about doing same, and I'm going to be sharing 5 health benefits that may be derived from eating yams. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. We're the product of what we eat. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing. Number 1, it may alleviate menopausal symptoms. And the reason for that is because it contains an enzyme which acts as a natural alternative to the replacement of hormones in menopausal women. Number 2, it's rich in antioxidants. Number 3, it's excellent for digestive health because it's a rich source of dietary fiber which can regularize bowel movement and prevent constipation. Number 4, it's good for eye health because it's rich in vitamin C, which helps to build the immune system, and it can reduce the chances of macular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss. And number 5, it may improve cognitive function for 3 reasons. Number 1, it contains folate, which can lower cognitive decline. And number 2, it contains potassium, and this can enhance blood flow and promote cognitive function. And number 3, it's rich in antioxidants, and this can protect brain cells and prevent them from dying. So there you have it, 5 health benefits that may be derived from eating yams. like this video, then please leave a comment and a thumbs up, and share with family and friends, and ask them to share with others as well. And if you would like to see similar content in the future, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that you will be alerted whenever there are new uploads, which will be twice weekly on Sundays and Thursdays. So until next time, one love from the beautiful island of Jamaica. Bye guys.